In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira with Power BI. If you're looking to integrate these two powerful tools, you've come to the right place. Whether you're managing projects or generating insightful reports, connecting Jira to Power BI can enhance your data analysis and decision-making processes. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to accomplish this integration. First, you want to start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. Log into your Jira account and ensure you're on the home page, where you can see all your work and tasks. This is the central hub of your Jira activities and will be our starting point for the integration process. Once you're at your Jira homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the settings option. Clicking here will take you to the main settings menu, where you can manage your Jira preferences and integrations. The settings page is essentially your control panel for personalizing and expanding your Jira experience. After accessing the settings menu, the next step is to click on Apps. This is where you can find and manage all the apps associated with your Jira account. By clicking on Apps, you are opening the gate to expand the functionality of Jira significantly. This section is designed to ensure that you can integrate various applications that suit your business needs, Power BI being one of them. With the Apps section open, you will now see a search bar. In this search bar, type Power BI. This will allow you to discover any app or integration related to Power BI within Jira's marketplace. The marketplace is a powerful resource that hosts a variety of tools and integrations to make your work easier and more productive. Upon searching for Power BI, you will see a list of results. What you're looking for is the Power BI Jira connector. This connector is vital as it serves as the bridge between your Jira data and Power BI, facilitating a smooth and effective data transfer. Click the Power BI Jira connector from the list of search results. This will direct you to a page that provides detailed information about the connector, including features, benefits, and user reviews. When you're on the page dedicated to the Power BI Jira connector, look for the option labeled Power BI Connector for Jira. Clicking on this option takes you deeper into the integration process, where you'll examine the specific details needed for blending your Jira projects with Power BI features. Once you've navigated to the Power BI connector page, one of the first things you will notice is the Try It Free button. By clicking this, you will start your trial period, which allows you to test the software and evaluate its benefits for your organization. It's always a good idea to test the integration in a trial mode first, to ensure it meets your specific needs and expectations before committing to a full version. Now you've successfully started the process of integrating Jira with Power BI, and your next steps are about configuration and data selection. Although we won't cover every detail in this overview, navigating the trial period should give you ample opportunity to explore the connector's functionality, how it transfers data, and how you can tailor the integration to your workflow needs. Overall, this integration will empower you to bring insightful analytics into your Jira projects, allowing for better visibility and decision making. By leveraging the strengths of both Jira for project management and Power BI for data visualization, you'll be able to unlock new levels of productivity and insight. It's also worth noting that while the steps covered today take you through the initial setup of connecting Jira to Power BI via the Power BI Jira connector, there are always extra features and adjustments available. Each organization might require different levels of reporting and visualization, so don't hesitate to explore additional options and settings within both Jira and Power BI to make the most out of this integration. I hope this step-by-step guide has made it easier for you to understand how to connect Jira with Power BI. Taking the time to integrate these platforms can substantially improve your project management effectiveness and data analysis capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy analyzing!